That shit is sexy as fuck, son.
What's sexy?
This shit.
No, that GTI.
You see this shit?
Yeah.
I feel like I've seen this one before. That shit. Wait a second, wasn't this?
Yeah, this the guy supposed to be at the runs.
Why?
Was this the one we was following?
Yeah, this jump fast.
You see the HUD though? That shit is sexy. You trying to race it? I'll race that.
Yo, we'll lose.
I don't care. I'll still go up against it. I raced one of those yesterday. Camaro. That shit burnt me, son. Wow. Yo, where's Chris and Matt? Oh.